Hey guys! In today's video I'd like to show you a great idea about how to make your own electric toothbrush. To make it, we of course need one toothbrush, a small battery, and a vibromotor, which you can remove from an old cell phone, a switch and some wires. So, better to rub the lashes of the toothbrush with foil, to prevent them from dust during work. Now, we need to cut the handle in two places. The vibromotor will be in the upper part, and the battery will be below. Next, we need to make two cavities in the handle, one for the vibromotor in the upper part, and another one for the battery. Make a hole in the central part of the handle for the wires. And also make one for the switch. The main job is done. Let's move to assembling. First, solder two wires to the vibromotor. Now, pass the wires from the vibromotor through the central parts of the handle. Using hot glue, fixate the motor strictly in the center. Pass one more short wire into the handle. And solder the switch to it. Fixate the switch using hot glue. Now, we need to solder these two wires to the battery. Red wire goes to the plus and the white one to the minus. After soldering the wires, check if everything works well. As we might expect, it works okay. Now, we just need to fix it all properly using superglue. That's all, guys! Our electric toothbrush is ready. If you want, you can easily remove the hot glue and change the battery. That's all for today, guys. Thank you all for your attention and support. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Did you know Allier Cosmetics produced one of the most expensive toothpastes in the world just for the Queen of England? The cost of it was 15,000 euros.